Coach Amelie, and welcome back to my channel. And if this is the first time that you're here, a warm welcome. On this channel, we talk about an accelerated way for your healing, your growth, your manifestation, your transformation, and so much more. So make yourself at home. And thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. And this video is gonna be short. I just have it on my heart to share with you. Last week I was talking with my husband, and we both have been working a lot these past little while, and we were talking about how our wedding anniversary is actually happening this week. So we just decided, literally impromptu, last minute, we decided to make a couple phone calls, and we are on our way. We rented a night at an Airbnb, and we are going to the spa together tomorrow, which is so exciting. And we haven't done anything like that for over 2.5 years, which is pre you know what happened, right? So 2.5 years we haven't done anything like that. So I'm coming here today, first of all, to share not just my excitement, but I do have a message. And the message is that it's super important to make the time to do beautiful things with people that we care about. And here's why. We can identify success in many different things. Like if I ask you right now, what does a successful life mean to you? You're gonna come up with your own ways. Like, what does success look like? For many people, the old programming way, success means to have a good job and make a lot of money. A lot of people identify with that. And although there is absolutely nothing wrong with that, what I really want to bring about to share is that if this is all you do, if this is all you strive for in life, and you associate success with the work that you do and the income that you make, it gets to be quite empty. And how do I know that? Is many years ago I was working, I had also a business, and that day I remember I made the most money I hadn't made ever. And I remember that day was a really sad day in my life. I was going through something, and I remembered that day really understanding the depth that, you know, making money is great, but it doesn't take away if you don't have the relationship, if you don't have the connection, if you don't have the things that mean the most to your heart and soul, it can feel empty. So I'm sharing that with you to, number one, I want to invite you to think about truly right now, wherever you are right now, and success can change, and there is nothing right and there is nothing wrong. Like, what does success mean to you? What does it look like? And I know for myself, success means, yes, to build a beautiful, thriving business. And it also means having delicious relationship with people that I love, like meaningful, rich, fulfilled relationship. So what does that look like? It means I'm willing to make time to call my family more, to call my friends more, to this year I've been intentional. Like, I'm going on coffee dates more. Like, before I used to just only make time for work, because I truly thought that was my way to success. Like, I wanted to succeed at all costs, and it was driven mostly from an underlying root of, well, if I can succeed at something, then I'm gonna be good enough, which it means anything, because you're already good enough. Whether you do something or you don't do anything, you're already enough as you are. But we're gonna save that for another video. So I'm coming here today to really remind you what is important to you. Like, this week I'm having all of my clients this week, I'm having them literally identify their main core values, 5 to 6 values that if we were to take them away from them, that it would be literally like an inner, like their being would not be able to function. Okay, so I'm having my clients do that. And if you want to do that, I do invite you to have a list, to really sit down and think, what are my most important values? Like, one of my values is adventure, and today I'm going on an adventure with my husband. It is an adventure, and it is exciting, and it makes my spirit really happy. And I can tell you that a few years ago, before just after I had my children, I remember there was a moment where I thought, what is wrong with me? I'm married to someone I love. I have two beautiful, healthy children. I have a career I'm thriving with. I live in a beautiful home. And there was something inside me that really was sad and empty. And I remember I used to feel guilty about that. And I used to kind of secretly judge myself. And it's only after realizing that I felt sad because I wasn't living out my value. See, you see how you could have everything you ever thought you needed to be happy. But if you are not connected with truly your heart and soul needs, it doesn't matter what it looked like. It will not feel good. I remember at that time, I wasn't connected to people. So I felt I had no connection with other people. All I did was work with my family. So I didn't have the connection outside of that. I definitely did not have adventure like outside of that. And I felt like I wasn't in that moment, although I was growing as a mom, I wasn't growing as a being. And part of my values myself is literally growth and contribution. So once I was able to identify that years after and make some change, I have been really intentional in living a life, not perfect life. There is no such thing as perfect, but living intentionally with, okay, wait, am I happy? Like, am I happy right now? What do I need to feel fulfilled on all level, not just the financial success, but also all the areas of my life. So that means taking care of my body, taking care of my mind, taking care of my soul, taking care of my relationship. So I'm here to just remind you to really, really connect with what is important to you. And if you don't know what's important to you now because you've gone through either a massive shift or spiritual awakening, or you've just never taken the time to ask yourself these questions, well, consider that the invitation today for you to do that. I want to thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was of value. If you enjoy my energy and you would love to continue on this growth journey and expansion, consider subscribing right over here. And if you want to see every new upload, just don't forget to hit the notification bell. I have created a activation remembrance from your higher self. If you would like to receive this free gift, it will come to you in your email. You will hop on my mailing list. So if it calls at you, the link for that is in the description of this video. Once again, it was Amelie, Coach Amelie. I'm so thankful that you are here. I'm sending you so much love. I'm cheering you on wherever you are on your journey. And you absolutely have got this. Send you so much love. Bye.